Welcome to Tickets and Candies and another episode in TechTrailers. Hope you all following the dine-in functionalities we explained in the previous episode. This is the continuation of the dine-in series. If you didn't watch it, I am keeping a link here to the restaurant playlist for you to quickly go and watch it. In this episode we are going to cover how to create an virtual table and checks. Any idea why we need a virtual table and check? Virtual tables and checks are created to temporarily take the order without allocating to a physical table or the seat inside the cinema. For example, a customer called the cinema and asked for reserving a table and placed the order when they were struck in traffic. The customer also asked to prepare the orders so that it will be ready when they are in the cinema. Please note, in this case, staff does not know where the customer is going to sit. We will use the virtual tables and check to handle the case. This is what we are going to cover in this episode. Alright, let's get into the show. TechTrailers, Episode 39, Vista Dine-In, Virtual Table and Check. So, as I said, we will be showing how to effectively handle the reservation with orders using virtual tables and check. In this case we have not decided where the customer is going to sit. That will only be decided based on their arrival time and availability of the table at that time. Alright, let's log into the POS to demonstrate the customer journey and how effectively we can use a virtual table to handle the case. In this customer journey, we are going to cover the first two events to explain the use of virtual table and check. First part of the customer journey is the reservation and ordering. The second part we will cover the journey once the customer arrived in the cinema. During the ordering process, the staff needs to take a note of the order and reserve the order in the system. Since the tables is not decided, the staff is not going to select any table here. In this case, staff is going to create a virtual table and check manually. For doing this, he opened the table layout screen. Here you go. We are in the table layout screen, and to create the virtual check the staff needs to change the table layout to check view. To change the view, staff need to click the table view button in the top right corner. You can see that the view is changed now. And you can also see all the active checks here. The next step is to create a virtual check. You can see a Create Check button on the screen. Staff is going to click on the Create Check button for creating a check. Once clicked, it asked for the customer details. We can provide any text in the table name. Since it is virtual, we need to fill rest of the customer booking information respectively and create the check. Here you go, the check is created now. Once the check is created, the staff is going to add the items which is ordered by the customer. Let's take 5 pepperoni pizza and 5 Pepsi in this case. All the items are added to the basket now. We need to send the order now. Yes, the order is now saved and sent to the kitchen. After some time, the guest came to cinema. Staff checked and find that table number K1 is free and allocate to the customer. Staff is going to do this using Relocate tab functionality, so the staff go to the table layout again. Since we are using virtual table, staff need to switch to check view to select the table and check. We are now in the check view and staff is going to select the check of customer. In our case it is ABC customer. The check is now selected. The next process is to relocate the check to the table which is allocated to the customer. In our case it is K1. Staff use relocate table to assign the items to the table. Hope you all watched the episode we described the relocate tab function. If not, I am keeping a link here for you to quickly go and watch it. The staff is going to do the transfer of the table now. Here you go, table is transferred. Let's confirm the transfer. Yes, all good. Hope you all understand how the virtual table and checks works, and also understand the circumstances we use it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Please like and share the channel among your colleagues. Links are in the video and description for your easy access. Please share your feedback on the show.